Hey, what's going on? Steve here, Raiken Profit. I'm with Vinny, the toy
master.
And today we're going to talk about how to identify toys that you find at thrift stores, garage sales, flea markets, auctions to sell on eBay. I mean, have you ever come across, we're going to be showing you guys firsthand, like a toy and you look at it and you can't, there's no information about it and you don't know how to look it up on eBay because ultimately that's the name of the game. You find an item, you list it on eBay, and you get paid, right? And the goal is to find it undervalued. And if you don't know Vinny, you've been selling toys on eBay for how long?
5 years now.
5 years now, and you're averaging anywhere from $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a month.
Yeah, it fluctuates now, but yep, anywhere from 3 to 5.
Yeah, and you're doing it part-time. I mean, the guy has a full-time job, so you could definitely make money selling toys, but you've got to be able to identify them. And that's probably one of the number one questions that we get in the comments is, Steve, I found this item, or Vinny, I found this item.
How do I find it?
Exactly. So we're going to be sharing our screen, bringing you into our computer, and we're going to be sharing with you maybe 2 or 3 various examples of toys that you had a hard time identifying. And we're going to just literally like break things down so you never have to struggle with this again. So Vinny, take it away and put me to work here on eBay.
The main things to look for before I show you some examples are dates, companies, any other number or marking
like on the item
or toy. Look on the backs of the necks, like a doll, the backs, if it's an action figure or something, look on the lower back and inside the leg and under the foot. If it's other items, look on the bottom of something or on the back of something. So you always want to try to find a name and a date. Those are the 2 most important things. Sometimes there's just a name, sometimes there's just a date. So this is a doll I found in a bag, right? It's like, I've never seen it before. I'm like, it's not a Barbie, not anything I've seen. So I'm like, how am I going to identify this? So I turn around and I look on the back and I see the words Ideal Toy Corp. Hope you can see that. So you want to type that in? Let's
what's
see if
it
we
called?
can find it.
Say it again.
Ideal Toy Corp.
Okay.
And then you can put doll. There, doll
It's
pops
actually,
up.
oh look, it's actually coming up recommended.
Vintage Ideal, yeah, there you go. We found it. So hit that vintage, it's old. So it's Tammy. Is this Tammy? Let's see. Doesn't look
looking
like...
for like the blue eyes, the little freckles underneath the...
Yeah. Why don't you type in freckles, dude? She has freckles, if anyone can see it. So type in freckles, see if we can find her.
Nothing, I don't think.
Oh, wait.
Is that her right there? No.
Yeah, I think it's a Tammy doll.
Oh, wait, is that her right there? That kind of looks like...
Yeah, so we found this is a Tammy doll. It's a vintage Tammy doll.
Oh.
So then you put that, and this... So now you can put Tammy doll, and actually I know what this... Her name's Pepper. So
okay.
if I searched through the sold listings of Tammy dolls and I came across the one with the actual freckles.
Oh, I see.
Her name was Pepper. Now type in Pepper on top of there. You'll see.
So you're trying to narrow it down into not only the category, but the actual specific item, and then you want to find the unique model.
There she is.
Oh, there she is right here.
There's Pepper, guys.
And then what you can do is you can go in. I like to filter it for US only when I check the sold listings. And then you can go in and you can see what it's actually sold for. Is this the exact one right here?
Yeah.
Look at that, $12.99 with no clothes on.
Yeah, so there you go. I just paid $1.99 at Savers and found her, looked her up, and it's $12.99. So that's another quick one. Now, let's go on to, then I found this little action figure in a bag, and I'm like, I can't find anything on this guy. I looked all around inside his leg. Then finally inside the leg, I see 1987 Tyco.
Okay.
So we typed that.
Action.
See, something came up. Yeah, just type in action figure.
Wow, that just automatically came up. Dino Riders.
But they don't know that that's what it is. So
they're just guessing?
Yeah, you got to type in action figure, right?
Okay.
They don't know what I'm holding in my hand.
Hit search.
Oh my God, he came
Did
right
it just come up instantly, the first one?
That is insane.
Wow.
That's luck. That's luck. Usually that never happens.
That algorithm knows, man. It's listening.
I swear they listen. There's another one right there. So, but now how do we find out what this guy's name is? That's not the same guy.
This isn't?
No.
Oh,
He's
look,
different.
it's a little different of a color.
So now, now we know it's a Dino Riders. Okay.
Okay.
So he's a Dino Riders. So now we can put 1987 Dino Riders, and then the best way to try to describe it, like horns, or kind of looks like an ant head, right?
You want me to
So
tell
put
you?
an ant. Just put ant.
Is that it?
Termite. Termite ant, yeah.
Is that it right there? No, it looks a little lighter. Or is that it?
Yeah, it's termite or ant. So there you go. So that's how you identify it.
Oh, look at that.
So also describe what you're seeing, you know? You know,
Gotcha.
it's like
horns, ant, yellow
then-
gloves.
now let's say let's go with something different. Now
Okay.
let's say we can't find this toy on eBay. Now go bring me over to Google.
Okay.
So now we can't find it on eBay. Let's just pretend we didn't find it. Now let's go to Google and type in 1987 Tyco. And now you know it's a Dino Riders, so you type in Dino Riders.
Yeah.
And then type in ant head. Let's see, because just describe it. And then go to images. What I do next is I click images. And then I run through and you can kind of, boom, right there. So I click on that. So
Oh,
his name is,
wow.
now we've got almost a full description for this item.
They sell these on Etsy too?
Yeah.
Interesting. Do you sell toys on Etsy?
No. It's similar, so we didn't find the exact one, but now you have like a termite ant. So that's how you can kind of go about that and identify what this is. If you continue searching through the Googles, you'll probably see a professional listing with someone who knows exactly what the name of this guy is, so you can name him the right way. This is termite. I know that. That's the action figure name, is termite. So that's another one. And now we got the hardest one yet to find, right? So I found a bunch of these things. They're little hard plastic, like, weird figures, right?
Okay.
Okay. So now how we identify them. Now, on the back, there's tiny writing that says Magic Box. So why don't we type in Magic Box and see what happens. Just hit Magic Box. No. Now let's try, because these are figures or minifigure, let's try Magic
Oh, wait, I
Box.
saw something pop up. Hold on. Was that it?
Magic Box mini monster figures. No, that's just a description. So that's not it. That's just, so now let's talk Magic Box minifigures, because they're small, they're really tiny. Crazy Magic
Look at
Box
that.
Crazy Bones Goes. These are Crazy Bone Go-Go's.
Is
So
this
now
it
you
right
have,
here? Yeah.
Yeah. Now you have all these.
Oh, wow.
How to identify all those.
Wow, that's crazy. So you're almost like, you're like a private investigator, and you're using what you can find on the actual item to type in. You're using your eyes to identify what you see, different things that stand out.
And a lot of times I spend more of my time on Google Images than I do on eBay trying to find an item, because Google Images will scour the entire internet and show me images that are coinciding with my describing words. And I've identified many toys that I couldn't on eBay on Google. So what you want to do is, if you have trouble identifying a toy, go to Google. This is what you do. I can't identify my toy. What do I do?
Okay.
You're at Google, right? You type in the year of a toy. So let's do 2006.
Okay.
And then I know it's a Transformer, so we'll do Transformer. And then he's red. And then I would hit enter, you know? If you have a red Transformer from 2006, and then you kind of hit the images, and you kind of look and see if you can find any red Transformers that match the one that you have. So that's
Interesting.
kind of the process. Like,
Gotcha. Cool.
now you're like, oh, that looks just like mine. So then you click on it, and then red Camaro Bumblebee. Got him.
Yeah, what I do with different items, I just snag keywords. Sometimes I look at the descriptions, and I could find something that's in there that I could use to find more.
Yep.
And then you can check the completed listings, the sold listings,
And
the
now
active listings.
Now you can bring that description, that title over to eBay.
Yeah.
Put that in there and keep going from that. So
Yeah.
that's just what I do to identify
That's a full
stuff.
tutorial.
You're welcome.
Awesome. So if you enjoyed this video and it helped, let us know in the comments and say, Vinny, you're the man. Because, there's a lot of people who I feel are getting discouraged with toys because they're like, oh, I can't find it. It's not worth my time. I find all this stuff. I spend my money, and now I'm sitting there twiddling my fingers, right? Trying to figure out what to do. So
Yeah.
hopefully this helps. If you guys have any more questions, let us know. If you want to learn how to take your toy business to the next level, check the link in the description. We've got some coupon codes for you. And yeah, all of Vinny's guides are there. We have 4 guides now that can help you to start a toy business, to help you to take it to the next level, how to identify things that are really valuable that people are passing up at thrift stores, garage sales, auctions, flea markets. So
I mean, I can't stress enough how many toys are in that guide that most people don't know about.
if you can't make 10x to 100x your money in terms of what you invest on these guides over the next year, I don't know what you're doing, because the competition's very, very low on this stuff because people they think they're trash. They don't think they're worth it. And the money's out there. So with that being said, keep on picking and making that money, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.